There are a lot of text editors available for Linux. The first two that we will discuss are cat and nano. Cat is short for concatenate, which means that we can join multiple files into one, or we can concatenate the output of our terminal into a new file. We can also use cat to display the contents of a file in the terminal. To create a new file at the command line with cat, we do the following. We start cat, telling it that we will be typing input at the terminal until we hit EOF, or end of file, which tells cat that we are finished. This next bit tells cat that we are going to be dumping the contents of what we type at the command line into a file called test.txt. This is also an example of output redirection, which we will discuss further in a later video. For now, just understand that what we type at the command line with cat will be saved in a file called test.txt. And now we can start inputting our text. Type in EOF for our end of file, and we're brought back to the terminal. Now we run ls to see that we have a new test.txt file in our home directory. And here it is. Let's use cat to display the file's contents. Notice that we are back at the command prompt. Cat is not a program like less that will let us scroll through multiple pages of content. Cat just displays the contents of the file to the console and exits. Cat provides a quick way to create new text files and read their contents. To combine files into a new single file, we can run cat, and we will use our install.log.syslog file and our test.txt file into a file called new file. See how the second file, test.txt, was added to the bottom of the first file? Nano is an easy-to-use text editor that is similar to the edit text editor from DOS. To start Nano with an empty file, just type nano at the command prompt. Once in Nano, we can type in some text. Then press Ctrl-O to save or write out the file. Here at the bottom is asking us for a name for the file. And we press Enter. Now we have a new file saved. As you can see at the bottom, some of the more common tasks that you would perform with Nano are displayed for your reference. To exit Nano, just press Ctrl-X. And we're back at the terminal. We can even open a file with Nano by specifying its name at the command line. And we can navigate around Nano by using the arrow keys. We can even replace text in the file. Press Ctrl-W to find a certain word, then press Ctrl-R to invoke the replacement option. So let's search for the word hello. Then press Enter and input a word that we wish to replace our search term with. Press Enter, and as soon as Nano finds an instance of our search term, it will prompt us to replace it. We can press Y to replace just this instance or A to replace all. To cut a line of text, use the arrow keys to navigate to the intended line and press Ctrl-K. To undo the cut operation, press Ctrl-U. To get further help with the Nano text editor, press Ctrl-G. The instructions at the bottom of the window will instruct you on how to navigate the help file. Press Ctrl-X to exit. As you can see, Nano is an easy-to-use text editor.